Deft and Dent. Deft. Deft means skillful and quick in one's movements or actions, especially with the hands. It implies dexterity or proficiency in handling tasks. Examples: the chef was deft in his knife skills, effortlessly slicing through the ingredients. She showed a deft touch in handling the delicate artwork, ensuring it remained undamaged. Dent. Dent refers to a hollow or depression in a surface, typically caused by an impact or pressure. It can also be used metaphorically to indicate a slight reduction or effect on something. Examples: the car's door had a dent from the minor collision. Despite the setback, there was no dent in his enthusiasm for the project. Differences. The primary difference between deft and dent lies in their meanings and usage. Deft pertains to skillfulness and agility in performing tasks, while dent refers to a physical depression or a metaphorical impact on something. Their usage is distinct, with deft describing a person's abilities or actions and dent describing a physical or metaphorical mark or effect. Despite both words having different meanings and contexts, they share the similarity of being relatively short and concise in their usage, making them effective in communication.